This is Jason with HCR Beta, and today we're going to find out if a Prohands hand exerciser can be repaired. And this is the second Prohands exerciser that the plastic is cracked on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart and super glue it, and let's see if Gorilla Glue, let me show you. See if this Gorilla Glue is strong enough to repair and hold it and make it usable again. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so it's been 24 hours. I'll let the glue, the Gorilla Glue suggests 24 hours cure. And I've noticed that I did not get the joints perfectly aligned, so there's still a little bit of some cracking that's not, I think it's going to have a weakness, and I think it's going to fail. But let's see if the Gorilla Glue is stronger than my hypothesis. Alright, let's see what happens when we put it back together. So, this is what I'm discovering. I'm discovering that I'm having to put so much force to compress those springs so I can get this attachment bar back on, and it goes, you got to push the springs down hard enough so that there's room to put this bar to hold everything together back on. And what I've done is I'd use those clamps and trying to crank those clamps down. I've popped the glue on this repair. I popped the glue on that repair. Well, I think I broke that one, and then I popped the glue on that repair. So it looks as though the Gorilla Glue is not strong enough to hold these components. This held up, but that doesn't allow me to put my Prohands exerciser Grip Master back together. So I'm going to say that it's busted, it's not repairable, and it's just time to go buy a new one. So thanks for watching. I was about ready to call this busted. I did. I made another video. I was trying to put this back together, and I couldn't get the springs to compress hard enough, or when I was pushing so hard, I broke my glue repairs on this. But what I discovered then, I was about ready to throw this away, and I saw these posts come up, which it's going to make it easy to latch everything together. So let's get the springs on. I think you gotta make sure these posts are out. Alright, so I'll put a spring on. Spring. Oh, that guy fell down. I keep it at an angle so that gravity doesn't press that post down. Make sure all of these are maximally extended. Very slowly. Put that over the top. Oh, I can see it's going to work. Oh, it'll work as long as I can get those posts up. Yeah, let me find a way to make them stay. All right, stand by. All right, I'm going to show you that I got it. It took a little finagling, but I got the post sticking out. So now, all I got to do is get this clamp and be able to hold this and make room. I need a handy helping hand. It's just a matter of fitting this on now. Oh, this might take a couple. Oh, hold on. Ta-da! That was about as hard as a V2 boulder problem. I had to hold that down in such a way and finagle it and drop and try again and try again. The glue held, and I got the bracket on. So let me get my screwdriver, my drill, and put that together. Alrighty, let's put this back together. Slightly snug. I want to crack the plastic. That's already held on by the tension of the springs, so just a little bit. Double check that. All right, and now the moment of truth. Let's put the rubber holder on, and let's see if all of this Gorilla Glue and effort is worth it to make the Prohands. All right, let's listen to see if that holds together. In 3, 2, 1. Hey, you can repair a Prohands hand exerciser. Man, I'm so excited about that. And I did buy a new one anyway, the other one, this is the Grip Master Heavy Tension. And this is the Gripmaster Pro. Alright, there we go. Gorilla Glue. Prohands. It's repairable. Thanks for watching.